Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you like the belly rub. You like the belly rub. You like the belly rub.
All right. All right, one chance to make the long one. For all the glory. Ah! Well, hello. Did you get something? Did you get something? Good girl. right, buddy. Old guy. Brushless skill. Old grandpa of a all right. Take both batteries and see if I can knock it out with this guy. Hey, dude. Hey, look, here, I'll flip you over. Oh, look. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Dude, you are beautiful. Look at you. That's insane. Well, hello there. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Yeah, I know. I see you. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Well, hey. Good girl. What you do? What you do? What you do? It's okay. It's just a lawnmower. Not gonna hurt you with it. Yep. So I found out yesterday that this is a Japanese banana tree, or multiple banana trees. And the leaves are massive, and it's right in front of my kitchen window. So these leaves in the wind will just like often in my peripheral vision, I'll be in the kitchen and just a huge, massive shape just goes whoosh, right across the window, and it startles me every single time. I mean, I'm immediately like, yeah, it's the tree, but I don't know. I just like, oh, it's like my brain thinks Bigfoot is outside the window or something. How you doing? How you doing? Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from? Did you tell your friend about the red shed? Is that what you did? You told your friend about the red shed? All right, here you go. I found these. Y'all are in luck. I don't know if you like these or not, but you can try. Well, hello there. How you doing? How you doing? Not so scared today, are you? Huh? Uh-huh, uh-huh. All right. Yep, get off that. Uh-huh. 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 Hey you. Hey you. What you doing? What you doing? All right, fine. Play with the blankets for a minute.
Not enough to commentate.
What do you know about mushrooms,
Well,
Gary?
this kind of looks like a chanterelle, but I've never seen one anywhere near this size.
Oh, that is so amazing. Look at that thing.
It has the veins going all the way into the stem.
Let me get that. Wow. And there's multiple,
Yeah.
like batches of them right around this tree.
Just an amazing
Yes,
crop.
it is.
Um,
Whoa, look at that thing. Oh, wow. That is a mushroom.
so this is more their normal chanterelle size, but see how smooth the veins are going into the stalk?
Yeah.
That other one was had much higher ridges. And this is a more appropriate size for chanterelle as far as I know. But
Cool. This is the backside of the catalpa tree. Thought this would be a cool ending to this week. Kind of goes way down there, actually. Can't see much in this one.